Alexander Quinnn. Dear all, we are experiencing some mild to medium solar activity at this time. However, the sun is not the primary driver of what many of you are feeling right now. The planetary field itself is compressing. There is a convergence of energy building, and compression always creates pressure before clarity. When pressure builds in the collective field, the human nervous system registers it first. It does not register it as energy. It registers it as activation. And when you get a specific energetic cocktail like this, it can present as anxiety spikes, racing heart, blood pressure fluctuations, restless legs, nausea, gut urgency, joint and muscle aches that seem to move, headaches, sinus congestion, dry eyes, floaters, blurred vision, early morning waking, and the familiar feeling of being wired yet exhausted because it is reflecting sympathetic activation, cortisol cycling, fragmented sleep, and hormonal shifts. What can feel like coordinated energy hits is often a cluster of overtired, overstimulated nervous systems trying to recalibrate at the same time, particularly within the physical body. Now layer on top of that the astrological architecture of this week. We are moving toward a ring of fire eclipse in late Aquarius. An eclipse does not arrive suddenly on the day it becomes visible. It applies. It presses on the field days before it peaks. It compresses identities before it removes them. Aquarius is air. Air governs cognition, thought, narrative, and processing speed. So, when Aquarian pressure increases, the mental field accelerates, the mind speeds up, information increases, processing bandwidth rises, and if the mind cannot expand beyond its previous boundaries, that quickening feels like anxiety. If the mind allows expansion, the exact same energy feels like clarity. However, the mind isn't able to go past what it does not know, and so that stage of clarity is not fully anchored in the collective field yet. As we move closer to the 17th, it is natural for some of these experiences to increase. Compression peaks before it releases. Mental quickening can intensify. Sleep may feel lighter. The mind may want to solve something that does not yet have language. Remember, dear lightworkers, intensity does not equal danger. The 17th is a peak point in a process that has already begun and will continue to settle after. You are not overtaken. You are recalibrating. I will be putting out a video tomorrow to detail this at length, and I hope it will calm and soothe. It offers the how and why to what's happening. You got this. Alexander Quinnn.